Welcome to my channel Easy English Practice.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Do you drink tea in the morning?
Yes, I drink tea every morning.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV in the evening.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading books.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like football.
Can you play the guitar?
No, I can't play the guitar.
What do you do on weekends?
I go for a walk on weekends.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where do you live?
I live in a small town.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read books often.
Can you swim?
No, I cannot swim.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love dogs.
What is the weather like today?
It is sunny and warm.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What time is it now?
It is 3 o'clock.
What do you like to eat for breakfast?
I like eggs and toast.
Do you watch TV every day?
Yes, I watch TV in the evening.
Can you speak another language?
Yes, I can speak Hindi.
What is your favorite drink?
I like coffee.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't have a car.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I have a lot of work.
What do you do on holidays?
I visit my family.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
What is your favorite season?
I like winter.
Do you go shopping often?
No, I rarely go shopping.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
How do you spend your free time?
I read books or watch movies.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you like studying English?
Yes, I enjoy learning new words.
What do you usually do on Sundays?
I relax at home.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook simple meals.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is history.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I dance at parties.
How is your day going?
My day is going well.
Do you have any friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
What is your favorite sport?
I enjoy playing cricket.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I usually take a nap.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 1 p.m.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I watch movies on weekends.
What is your favorite TV show?
I like Friends.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Where do you usually go shopping?
I go shopping at the mall.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
What is your favorite holiday destination?
I like going to the beach.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I enjoy the rain.
How do you spend your weekends?
I spend time with my family.
What is your favorite snack?
I like chips.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend is Sohan.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you like to read the newspaper?
Yes, I read it every morning.
What is your favorite book?
I like Harry Potter.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow flowers at home.
Do you watch sports?
Yes, I watch football matches.
What is your favorite flower?
I like roses.
Do you enjoy walking?
Yes, I walk in the park every evening.
Can you draw?
No, I am not good at drawing.
What is your favorite festival?
I love Diwali.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I celebrate it with my family.
Do you go to the gym?
No, I exercise at home.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a tiger.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy dishes.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive.
Do you enjoy swimming?
Yes, I like swimming in the summer.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Imagine.
Do you prefer books or movies?
I prefer books.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a teacher.
Do you like cold weather?
Yes, I enjoy winter mornings.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I relax and read a book.
Do you visit your relatives often?
Yes, I visit them on weekends.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music.
Do you enjoy writing?
Yes, I write stories.
Do you like shopping online?
Yes, I find it convenient.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
I like chocolate flavor.
Do you like going to the zoo?
Yes, I enjoy seeing animals.
Can you bake a cake?
Yes, I can bake a chocolate cake.
What is your favorite drink in summer?
I love lemonade.
Do you visit the library often?
Yes, I borrowed books from the library.
What is your favorite type of music?
I like classical music.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, I hike in the mountains.
Can you sew?
No, I don't know how to sew.
What do you like about your city?
I like its parks and clean roads.
Do you like long drives?
Yes, I enjoy them on weekends.
What is your favorite fast food?
I love burgers.
Can you speak English fluently?
I am still learning, but I try.
Do you watch cartoons?
Yes, I watch them with my nephew.
Do you like visiting historical places?
Yes, I enjoy learning about history.
What do you do when you feel bored?
I listen to songs or watch movies.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 8 p.m.
Do you go for morning walks?
Yes, I go every morning.
What is your favorite dessert?
I like ice cream.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, I love roses.
Do you travel often?
No, I travel once a year.
Can you sing?
Yes, I enjoy singing.
What is your favorite festival?
I enjoy celebrating Holi.
Do you like to clean your house?
Yes, I clean it every weekend.
Can you play chess?
Yes, I like playing chess.
Do you enjoy eating outside?
Yes, I like eating at restaurants.
Do you watch the news?
Yes, I watch it every night.
What is your favorite sport to watch?
I enjoy watching cricket.
Can you paint?
No, I can't paint well.
Do you enjoy picnics?
Yes, I love picnics with friends.
What do you like to do on rainy days?
I like reading books.
Do you visit parks often?
Yes, I go every weekend.
What is your favorite juice?
I like orange juice.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I enjoy making friends.
Can you play basketball?
No, I don't play basketball.
Do you enjoy family gatherings?
Yes, I love spending time with family.
What do you do after work?
I relax and watch TV.
Do you take naps in the afternoon?
Yes, I take short naps.
What is your favorite day of the week?
I like Sunday.
Do you drink milk every day?
Yes, I drink milk at night.
Can you use a computer?
Yes, I use it for work.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I never skip breakfast.
What do you do before sleeping?
I read or listen to music.
Do you go to school?
No, I finish school.
What is your favorite vegetable?
I like potatoes.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help them every day.
Do you like studying at night?
Yes, I find it peaceful.
Do you use a mobile phone often?
Yes, I use it every day.
What is your favorite pizza topping?
I like cheese and olives.
Do you go to the cinema often?
No, I rarely go to the cinema.
Can you speak more than 2 languages?
No, I can only speak 2 languages.
Do you eat fruits every day?
Yes, I eat an apple every day.
What do you do on your birthday?
I celebrate it with my family.
Do you like to swim in the sea?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea.
Do you visit temples?
Yes, I go to the temple on weekends.
Can you run fast?
Yes, I am a fast runner.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy gardening.
What is your favorite drink?
I like cold coffee.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I love cats and dogs.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer winter.
What is your favorite movie genre?
I like comedy movies.
Do you enjoy festivals?
Yes, I enjoy all festivals.
What is your favorite place at home?
I like my bedroom.
Do you like to eat chocolates?
Yes, I love chocolates.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I exercise and have breakfast.
Do you eat rice for lunch?
Yes, I eat rice every day.
What is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Diwali.
Do you enjoy working?
Yes, I like my work.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
Do you watch movies on weekends?
Yes, I watch them with friends.
What do you do on holidays?
I relax and spend time with my family.
Do you like reading magazines?
Yes, I read them sometimes.
Can you speak Hindi?
Yes, I can speak Hindi fluently.
What is your favorite TV channel?
I like National Geographic.
Do you drink juice?
Yes, I drink orange juice in the morning.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
I like vanilla.
Can you dance?
Yes, I love dancing.
Do you visit the market often?
Yes, I go to the market twice a week.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you like eating sweets?
Yes, I enjoy eating sweets.
Can you sew clothes?
No, I don't know how to sew.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like bananas.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you like playing cricket?
Yes, I enjoy playing cricket with my friends.
Can you read English?
Yes, I am learning to read English.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
What is your favorite breakfast?
I like pancakes.
Can you play football?
No, I don't play football.
Do you enjoy traveling by train?
Yes, I enjoy train journeys.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
Do you listen to music daily?
Yes, I listen to music every evening.
Can you make tea?
Yes, I can make tea.
Do you like spending time in nature?
Yes, I love being in nature.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and butter.
Do you drink water often?
Yes, I drink water throughout the day.
Can you play badminton?
Yes, I enjoy playing badminton.
Do you visit your grandparents?
Yes, I visit them on holidays.
What is your favorite clothing brand?
I like Levi's.
Do you enjoy walking in the evening?
Yes, I walk in the park every evening.
Can you draw well?
No, I am not good at drawing.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is a sunflower.
Do you eat vegetables every day?
Yes, I eat vegetables with every meal.
What is your favorite drink in winter?
I like hot chocolate.
Do you like cold drinks?
Yes, I enjoy cold drinks in summer.
Can you climb a tree?
No, I cannot climb a tree.
Do you enjoy watching the sunrise?
Yes, I love watching the sunrise.
What is your favorite food to cook?
I like cooking pasta.
Do you like eating salads?